Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. All natural, all healthy, super creamy, super quick and easy, dairy-free, oil-free, refined sugar-free, made with just 3 products of a coconut tree. You just need a bowl and a spoon. This is the most flavorful coconut ice cream ever made, and it tastes so good. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, pour a cup of warm coconut butter into a bowl. Next, pour half a cup of warm coconut water into another bowl, along with 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar. And mix it. Now combine it with the coconut butter. And mix it until super creamy and super smooth. Then put it into the freezer until frozen. And enjoy a super flavorful and super creamy coconut ice cream! Thanks for watching!